Hello, my little mathematicians. Today we are going to get started on D-67, or page 13 in your packet. So for D-67, if we take a look at the very first one, H, it's asking you to find the volume of this rectangular prism. So the formula for volume is big B times H, and that big B stands for the area of your base shape, which is a rectangle, and the area of a rectangle is length times width. So the big B is replaced with length times width, and then bring down your times height. So I need to find the length of this rectangular prism. So I'm going to count how many cubic inches are inside of it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. And then this one is 1, 2 across, so it has a width of 2, and then it has a height of 1, 2, 3. And I know that I said cubic inches just out of habit, but it actually doesn't tell me what unit it's in, so I'm just going to use the word units. Okay, so the formula is volume is length, which is 4, times width, which is 2, times height, which is 3. Go ahead and multiply all that together. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So this has a volume of 24 units cubed, or you'll sometimes hear it called cubic units. So that's how you would do the first one, and that's the same for the first and second rows. For the third row, they have these little tick marks to divide it up of how many sections it is. So let's take a look at E. This is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4 across by 1, 2, 3, 4 across, and 1, 2, 3, 4 across. Okay, so it has a length, width, and height of 4 for that one. So you'd multiply length times width times height, which is 4 times 4 times 4, and your units would be units cubed. Okay, so that's how you do each of those types, and then for the bottom row, it actually tells you what the measurements are. Okay, and if when you go to do the joke, you realize that there's extra spaces, don't forget about this row right here. It tells you the length, width, and height. It just doesn't have a picture. So you would plug those into the formula as well. All right, and then when you get your answer, so for the very first one, H, we found it to be 24. Find 24 down here. It's right there. And that was problem H, so I'd write an H for 24. All right, and now you know how to do all the different types of problems. Good luck. You're going to do great.